What if I told you that the guitar could finally make sense? That the dream you've had to let the music inside you come to life was right at your fingertips. All it takes is some dedication, a blueprint you can understand, and a great teacher to help you along the way. My name is Bateman, and I specialize in helping beginner guitar students finally have fun playing their guitar. My mission as a guitar teacher is to ensure that you don't leave this world with the music still inside you. As a cancer survivor, I know the importance of living your dreams today. And unlike most teachers here on YouTube, I don't have a degree in music. I actually used to work in cancer research, but my true passion in life is music. And just like you, I knew the guitar was calling me to play. Whether you're an absolute beginner or someone that's struggling to learn on your own for years, I want to help you play your favorite songs by the artists you know and have someone else recognize it. I firmly believe that anyone has the ability to learn to play this instrument. And we all know that the best time to learn to play guitar was 20 years ago, but the next best time is right now. If you're ready to pull that guitar out of the closet and take another shot at fulfilling your lifelong dream, then subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so this way you'll know when I release new lessons here on my channel. I hope to see you in a video lesson real soon.